Now that you have your new upgraded lenses from the Sunglass Fix, it's time to install them. Let's start by removing your scratch lenses. Because these Revo sunglasses have metal frames with tiny screws, we suggest that you do this over a table, a cloth or some sort of box to catch any small parts that may fall and get lost. First, you'll need to locate the screws, which are usually on the underside of the sunglass frame. Once you've found the screws and have got yourself a Phillips head screwdriver, you're ready to loosen the screw. Get a nice firm grip of the frames and gently turn the screw a few times to loosen the frame. With one hand on the lens and the other on the frame, gently pulling it up. Apply some pressure from the back of the lens and it should pop out easily. Another option is to take the screw out completely, but we recommend just loosening it, so that all the screws and components stay in place and you don't lose any small parts. Now that we've got the old lenses out, let's get the new ones in. To install your new lenses, bring the lenses in from the front of the frame, lining the bottom of the lens up with the bottom of the frame. Apply some pressure to the lens until it pops into place. Once both lenses are in the sunglass frames, turn the frames upside down and run your finger along all the grooves to ensure the lenses are fitting nicely in the frames. Now you may tighten the screws once more and do a final safety test by applying some pressure on the lenses to ensure that they don't pop out. Enjoy seeing clearly again with your new sunglass lenses.